Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check a new topic that is called one once, and this is going to be from grammar, okay? So please pay attention in order to understand better. We use one instead of a noun to avoid repeating it. We can use one in singular or once in plural. Remember that a noun is a word used to identify any of a class of people, places, or things, or only to name a particular one of these. Okay? Example. This is going to be in singular. There are 3 coats on the bed. The blue coat is mine. We are talking that there are 3 coats. 1, 2, 3. These are plural, right? But in the second sentence says the blue coat is mine. So one of these 3 coats, one of these, one is mine. So in order to not say coat and then coat, we are going to replace the second coat with the word one. We have here how it's going to be at the end. There are 3 coats on the bed. The blue one is mine. Okay? This is because we are talking about only one. The one is mine. Now we have an example, but in plural. I'm going to wear my white sneakers. Remember that if we have sneakers with a final S, we're talking that is in plural. Okay? My gray sneakers are at school. So I have 2 pairs of sneakers. One is white and one is gray. So if I talking about that I'm going to wear the white sneakers, the second sentence, in order to not repeat the same, we are going to change it with once. Why? Because sneakers is in plural. Okay? So it would be like this. I'm going to wear my white sneakers. My gray ones are at school. So here we are replacing it, the second word in the second sentence for once. Okay? So we are not sound repetitive. So now let's a little practice. You have to tell me how would be if we replace car and cars. John has 3 cars, a red and 2 blue. How do you think is going to be the answer? We can replace car for once and cars for one. How you can tell me? Okay, we can change car for one because we are talking just about one, and then we are going to change cars for ones. Why? Because in the first sentence we are talking about cars, so it's not necessary to say all the time cars, cars, okay? So listen and tell me what sounds better. John has 3 cars, a red car and 2 blue cars. And then we have John has 3 cars, a red one and 2 blue ones. Okay, so this is going to be less repetitive. Then we have this one. Jack has 5 pens, 2 green pens and 3 yellow pens. How do you think it's going to be if we change it with one or ones? Pay attention that in both we have plural pens. So we are going to change them with exactly ones because it is in plural. So it's going to be Jack has 5 pens, 2 green ones, and 3 yellow ones. Excellent, guys. And we have the last one. If you buy 2 bottles of water, you get a third bottle free. Okay? Here, bottle is in singular. Even though we have the word third means 3, but before third we have the word a. Okay? This is a preposition, so we are talking about one bottle. So we are going to write what? One or ones instead of bottle. Great! One. This is going to sound better than repeated bottle, right? If you buy 2 bottles of water, you get a third one free. Excellent, guys. So thank you for this class. I hope you'll get it. If not, you can ask me whatever you want. Any doubt, comment below this post and repeat the video as many times as necessary in order to complete the activity. Please write the letter readable and remember to write punctuation and capital letters with red color. We need the activities with a lot of order and cleanliness. So guys, you can do it. See you tomorrow.